Talof everyone, it's Michael Tan and I'm here at the grand opening of the Ramen Garden located in Syracuse, Utah. You know me, it's all about incredible food, exciting guests, and you know what's unique about this grand opening is that the mayor, Syracuse City, and the West Davis Chamber of Commerce have come together to join hands and support this local gem. And guess what? The royalties of Miss Syracuse are here too. They're celebrating with us and supporting a good cause. So come on down to the Ramen Garden in Syracuse, Utah. Whether you're a ramen lover or just looking for an amazing meal, this is the place to be.
I'm Ryan Rittmeister from the West Davis Chamber of Commerce. Great food, great people. It's great to have a great restaurant here in Syracuse. Looking forward to coming back many times. Welcome to Ramen Gardens. We were so excited they're here in Syracuse City. It's wonderful food, great atmosphere. Come try some genuine, wonderful food.
So we're excited to have Ramen Garden in the city. It is so good. It's nice to have a place to get a real ramen. Their marinated eggs are amazing. You just bite into them. So excited to have them here. Great food. The boba was fantastic and the service was incredible. Truly a great addition to Syracuse. Welcome to Syracuse.
Ramen Garden was absolutely delicious. I loved it. It's an amazing addition to Syracuse. I love seeing all the different types of cultures and different foods and all the yummy flavors. It was awesome.
They also give you like a lot of the food,
So
and
much
so
food.
you take a lot home, and it's so good. I'm so happy to like be able to have a place with like real ramen, and just all of the food was good. The service was amazing.
Yeah, the workers are awesome. They're all so nice.
Every single one of them is nice and you'll definitely leave with a smile on your face.
Thank you for joining us at the grand opening event. We hope we see you here soon, savoring the flavors of the Ramen Garden. Remember, it's at 2058 West 1700 South, Syracuse, Utah. Until then, Tofa Soifua.